Welcome back to School of Civil Engineering. This is Hedaetullah with another new video. As we have started CSSF 2016 tutorial series, and this is our 34th lecture. And in my previous all lecture, I have just shown you that how we'll design all kinds of shallow foundation, and how we'll design that, how we'll go for its detailing, and how we'll define its materials, properties, and everything, and also how we'll design slab and how we'll import a slab from ETABS to CSSF. Also have shown more things in my previous lectures. So if you're new here, you can watch our previous lecture, and actually in this lecture I'm just going to show that how we'll check our uplift. Okay, uplift check for our mat foundation, and you know that for mat foundation we have to go for a uplift check, otherwise we will be unable to make sure that our foundation is okay or not. And in our previous lecture we have designed our mat foundation, and also have shown that how to go for its detailing. So if you're new here, you can watch our previous video. And before starting, I'm just going to request you that if you're new to our channel, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon. So to go for that procedure, first of all, you have two ways: edit, view, define. Then you have to go here, convert combination to non-linear uplift case. But first of all, I will just go here, define, then load pattern here, or load pattern, and from here you can add another load, but we will not add another load. I will just delete. Okay, then I'll go here, load case. Okay, here is a load case, and I'll just click here, add new case. So from here you are seeing that they have non-linear allow uplift. Okay, so simply click on it, non-linear allow uplift. So from here I'll just select dead load. Okay, and our scale will be 0.9 for safety, and here live load I'll give her 1. Okay, it's okay. So non-linear allow uplift, so it's okay. Now I'll go for okay. Just see here, there is a non-linear statistic. Actually I'll go again for modify, and I'll give its name uplift. Then okay, now I'll go for run analysis. It's done. Now go ahead, display, then show deform shape. So from here we'll select our uplift load case, then apply. Now see here, so if I take our mouse here for uplift, it's showing for both uplift, it's showing the negative value. Just see here, all value are negative. Okay, all value are negative. But if you see here any positive value, that means our foundation are deflecting in upward. Now I'll just close, and again I'll go for display, then show solve reaction force, then from here load case, then uplift, solve pressure, then apply. Now just see here, also every value are negative, maximum and minimum both value are negative. That means our uplift check is okay, but when your value is positive, then you have to increase its slab foundation size, or you have to increase its thickness, then it will be negative. Okay, and they have another way, actually just unlock it, and they have another way to check it. Go ahead, define. So from here, convert combinations to non-linear uplift case. So simply click here, and from here I'll select the normal load combination here. From here the normal, put normal load combination, then okay, it's done. Now I'll go here, define, then load case. So from here, just see here, they have two load combo, 1 and 2 non-linear. Then go here, modify, and just simply give here 0.9. okay, and the another go modify, it's 1 and it's 0.9. so okay, then okay. Now again go for run analysis and see what happened actually. So run analysis. Now we'll go for display, a deform shape, then load combo. This is load case here, nonlinear 1, and here it's showing the wall value. This is the max, minus, and the 7. 3 and 7 both are minus, and for that option, and here it's also showing 5 and minus 7. So wall value are minus. So our that both process are okay. Now I'll just cancel that, and I will go for display, then show reaction forces, then soil pressure, and from here combo 1 apply. So from here it's also showing both minus 12 and minus 28, and again just come here, then apply. It's showing us, take your mouse here and go here, minus 20 and minus 68. That means our wall foundation is absolutely okay for our construction. So it's done. Actually we have successfully completed our isolated foundation design, then our Raft foundation design, mat foundation design, then step foundation design, then combined foundation design. Okay, so I think we have done everything in shallow foundation, and also have shown you that how we'll design different types of slab design in CSS shape. So I'm just I will start designing deep foundation in from our next tutorial series. So if you think that if you have any question or if you have any problem, then please let me know, then I'll try to cover that. So thank you very much. And after all, the one request, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon, and like our video, share our video how much possible with your engineer friend, and leave a comment, because your comment and your one like and also your subscription is pressed for the next work. So thank you very much. Stay connected till next video.